What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video on the Craftsman compact blower in the fall clean edition. Now you can see I'm hoping this thing will definitely be used again this weekend because I know this thing definitely will be used again this weekend because it did get used last weekend and then since the foreign battery just died again this weekend and the 6-hour battery died this weekend last weekend. Now so I got 3 balls in the battery, you can see, but this is definitely looks very nice looking machine back in. And this is a CMCB LZ100 and I do like this machine a lot because here's the thing exactly because this thing right here exactly, I do like this thing a lot because every time you use this thing like this exactly because you know it has vetted this machine, it got used almost like quite a bit. But you know why exactly as you can see because I mean vetted this machine exactly because this is like you said, this is a CMCB LZ100 and definitely how much is vetted this machine exactly. So I do like this thing a lot, but you see how much vetted this machine has been used almost like quite a bit. But you know something like this much is a good bit because you know how vetted this machine has been used almost like quite a bit. And it'll definitely be used again this weekend. I'm hoping the same definitely be used again this weekend. It will get used again this weekend because you know I expect this machine exactly, which is definitely how much expected this machine exactly. It definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion. But as you can see, it's definitely not that bad of a piece of equipment in my hand exactly because once there's one thing I enjoy something like this because this thing that you get used almost like quite a bit because no matter what is this thing get used almost like quite a bit because well, because you see how it's vetted this thing, as you can see, because you know how it's vetted this machine's been used almost like quite a bit, because you know how it's vetted this machine, okay, which is well, you know how it's vetted this machine that got used almost quite a bit this weekend, so I know it's the time to vetted this machine exactly, which is exactly what it is exactly this machine exactly, which is it definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion, but you know how it's vetted this thing exactly, which is because with this machine right here exactly because you see how it's vetted this thing exactly, it's definitely will be used again this weekend. And I know that because you see how inspired this machine exactly, which is it definitely looks pretty cool in my opinion, but it looks pretty cool in my opinion, where you see how inspired this machine exactly. And I do like this thing a lot because you can see how inspired this machine because you know inspired this machine exactly, so definitely will be used again this weekend again. It definitely looks very nice in my opinion, it definitely will be used.